Seed Savers. I'm Bonnie from Circle City Seeds, and today I'm going to show you how to save cilantro seeds. Cilantro is an herb that you either love or hate. There's actually a gene in your DNA that determines if cilantro tastes like soap to you. Even though you may love cilantro in your pico de gallo or salsa, it's actually a cool season crop. Even the slow bolting varieties of cilantro tend to bolt or go to seed very quickly, so the best way to ensure that you have cilantro when you want it is to plant it in succession every few weeks or so. When your cilantro does bolt, you'll have the option to save the seeds. Cilantro is actually a 2-for-1 herb because the seeds are also known as coriander. When your cilantro goes to seed, it'll grow taller and eventually produce flowers that your local pollinators will love. Once the seeds have been pollinated, the flowers will close and start to form little green balls. These little green balls will eventually become your seeds. To collect your seeds, you'll want to wait until the seeds have started to dry and turn brown. You can collect them by picking them individually, or you can wait until the whole stem or plant is ready, but if you wait too long, you may lose them, so watch carefully. When the seeds are ready, they'll easily come loose from the stem. As always, you want to store your seeds in a cool, dry place until you're ready to plant them. If you would like to purchase some of the seeds I've collected here today, you can do so on my Etsy shop or on my website, circlecityseed.com. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to learn more about saving all different types of seeds, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below what seed saving video you would like to see next. Happy seed saving!